prove that f vector is equal to y square cos x plus z cube into I plus 2y sin x minus 4 into j vector plus 3x z square into k vector is irrotational and find its scalar potential. Okay, so now the given vector I want to prove irrotational. So the condition for irrotational is del cross f vector is equal to 0. So this is the condition for irrotational. Okay, now I am going to find out del cross f. So determinant of I, j, k, first second row dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and third row the coefficient of I is y square cos x plus z cube. Here 2y sin x minus 4. Here 3x z square. Now I want to expand. If it is 0, we can say it is irrotational. So I vector into, leave this, dou by dou I of this. But there is no y. So differentiation with respect to y is 0. Minus dou by dou z of this. But there is no z. So this is also 0. Minus j vector into, leave this, dou by dou x of this. X differential is 1. 1 into 3z square, 3z square. Formula minus, and dou by dou z of this. So with respect to z, this is 0. Here z cube differential 3z square. Plus k vector into, so leave this, dou by dou x of this. So x differential, sin x differential is cos x. So 2y cos x. Minus dou by dou y of this. Y square differential 2y. So 2y cos x. 2y cos x. Okay, so now I vector into 0 minus 0, 0, minus j vector into 3z square minus 3z square, 0, plus k vector into 2y cos x minus 2y cos x, it is also 0. So each term 0, therefore the total value 0, therefore del cross f vector is equal to 0. Therefore f vector is an irrotational vector. Irrotational vector. So let the scalar potential of f vector be pi. Therefore f vector is equal to del phi. F vector is given in the problem y square cos x plus z cube into I plus 2y sin x minus 4 into j plus 3x z square into k is equal to del phi. What is del phi? I vector into dou phi by dou x plus j vector into dou phi by dou y plus k vector into dou phi by dou z. Okay, now I am going to equating the coefficient of I, j, k. So first I am going to equating the coefficient of I. So coefficient of I vector. So what is the coefficient of I vector? I vector coefficient is dou pi by dou x. Here I vector coefficient is y square cos x plus z cube. So now to find pi, I want to integrating x on both sides. So x is pi is equal to integrating with respect to x. Cos x integral is sin x. Plus here it is a constant when you are integrating with respect to x. So integration of constant is constant into x. So z cube x plus integral constant, you take it as c1. This is equation number 1. So next I am going to equating the coefficient of j coefficient. So what is j coefficient? Dou phi by dou y. Dou phi by dou y. Here j coefficient is 2y sin x minus 4. Now to find phi, I want to integrate with respect to y on both sides. So which implies pi is equal to 2 into y integral is y square by 2 into sin x minus 4y constant integral into y. So cancel 2. So phi is equal to y square sin x minus 4y plus integral constant c2. So this is, you take it as second equation. So next I want to equate the coefficient of k. Coefficient of k vector. So what is the coefficient of k vector? Dou phi by dou z. So dou phi by dou z is equal to coefficient of k, 3x z square. 3x z square. Integrating with respect to z. So pi is equal to 3x z square integral z cube by 3 plus integral constant c3. Therefore phi is equal to, cancel 3, x z cube plus c3. Take this is equation number 3. By using these three equations, I am going to write phi. So from 1, 2 and 3 we get pi. Phi is equal to, so I want to collect the pi term. So if it is repeated, you write once. So y square sin x. Y square sin x. Next term, z cube x plus z cube x. Next, y square sin x already we written, so leave it, minus 4y. So minus 4y. And x z cube, already you written z cube x, so it is repeated term, so you can write once, it is enough. So finally this is our required scalar potential. Now write the constant, integral constant. So this is the required scalar potential of the given function f vector. So this is the answer of the problem.